Why you admission English therapy? There are another place English coaching center available have.
There are, I think there have a lot of English center have available in Bangladesh, but English therapy is most better that I think
Why is the better English therapy?
because they have a lot of like you see like it is an outdoor environment. The environment is too much good because when I can use my knowledge in practically, like now I'm gossiping with her. So when I gossip with her, it is possible for me to increase my speaking style. So that's why it's too better for me. Also, it's too good. Also, the environment inside of the English therapy is too good. So that's
Thank
why
you.
I think this environment is too much
That's
good.
why you had admission. to
Yeah,
English
yeah, yeah,
therapy.
English therapy, yeah,
Thank you so much.
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah, nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Fahim Akhtar Tabia.
Fahima Akhtar Tabia. So why you studying there? There's so much student.
It's our outdoor session, and we are our partner. We are talking. It is our outdoor session, and we are talking our partner and different topic, different thing, and it's a help for our speaking and fluent speaker.
They are speaking in English with the English environment.
They're practicing here.
Yeah, they are practicing here.
After class finish, they come here.
Yeah, after 3 hours indoor class, they have to come here and talk to each other in English. 1 hour minimum.
I admit myself to English therapy. I want to speak fluently in English because in this world, English is too much important. We cannot go anywhere without English. That's why I admit English to get a great environment because the environment is all the time English. We can speak English here every time. That's why this is the best place to learn English. That's why I admit myself to English therapy.
So why you admission to English therapy?
Before admitted here, I didn't speak English fluently. Suddenly I feel I need to learn English, and it is very important for us. But without English, we cannot spend our time, our life properly, perfectly. That's why I feel it's important for our self-development and our students also. That's why I came here to develop myself.
How many days ago you had admissions English therapy coaching center?
3 months ago, I admitted.
3 months you can speak English.
Yes.
How is possible?
It's a method of English therapy, and also COSR. It's a procedure is different.
Oh my God! If I to compare another coaching center and English therapy is so much different.
Yes, so much different. This is the only institute. Here is when we stay here for 3 hours. Without we cannot Bangla. We cannot use Bangla. It must be if you can mistake, but you must be speak English. It's very important for us.
Okay, thank you.